Good luck, good luck. Mosaic Bird 3822. Here we go. Dice roll. We're going 7 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 here, 7 here. Niners up top. Buccaneers at the bottom. 7 times on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Tom Hall up top. Brian Lazzotti at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Niners didn't sort. They're at the top. There's your squads. Mosaic Early Bird 3822. Good luck. Nate Smith closes out Select Hobby. Appreciate you, Nate. That break is full as well. There's 9 left in Bowman Chrome. Again, that goes to night 2. 9 left in Bowman Chrome. Mosaic Hobby Bird. Good luck, good luck. Here we go. Jalen Carter on the rookie for the Eagles. Got blue Ozzie Newsome, 80 out of 99 for the Brownies. Got Strahan on the silver. Tyreek Hill and carbon copy. This goes to the Bengals. Jamar Chase. C.J. Stroud on the debut. Mike Evans, Javonte Williams, Doug Flutie. Stephon Diggs and Patty Mahomes on the montage for the Chiefs. Devin Achane on the debut rook. Dermontti Dawson. Base autograph in focus for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Steelers and Roy Roberts. There you go, Roy. Aaron Rodgers, red and national pride for the Jets. Emmitt Smith on the silver for the Cowboys. Vic and Trevor Lawrence silver montage for the Jags. Deebo Samuel Mosaic. Viliami Fehoko for the Cowboys. Carbon copy that goes to the Bengals. And Joe Burrow. Again, all the carbon copies for the night go to the left. Viliami Fehoko Jr. to 199 for Dallas. Jackson Smith and Jigba. Sauce Gardner on the red. Sean Clifford, silver rookie for the Packers. Nice one there for Green Bay. Adam McGuire on the Sean Clifford. We got Jerry Kramer, Will Levis rookie intro, and Mahomes on the splash. Five packs to go. We got purple coming up. Quentin Johnston debut. Brenton Strange on the rook. Tavius Martin Hutchinson to 49. And Patty Mahomes on the Mosaic Audible for Kansas City. Hutchinson for the Lions and Andrew. That is 18 out of 49 on the Hutch. Bryce Young, debut. Jim Kelly, Jalen Ramsey, Parsons, and Lawrence Taylor. 3 packs left. Other ink right here. Tank Bigsby on the rookie ink. Jags and Tim Pascali. There you go, Tim. Tank Bigsby. Rookie Tyreek Hill on the Mosaic red. DJ Turner rookie. Ramsey and Randy Moss. DJ Turner on the red for the Bengals. And Tyreek Hill Mosaic for the Fins. 2 packs left. Good luck. Jake Hayner on the debut. Orange, Dante Hall for the Kansas City Chiefs. Luke Kuechly, carbon copy going to the Cowboys. And Antonio Freeman. Moments in time, actually. That's a top load for sure. Those trick me because that's actually a white moments in time. That is going to be 6 out of 25 for Green Bay going to Adam McGuire. Nice hit there, Adam. 6 out of 25. And Dante Hall again to 199. 84 out of 199. The last pack. Good luck. Dalton Kincaid on the debut. Anthony Richardson, debut Mosaic. Nice one there for the Colts. And Roy Roberts, Tua on the red. Nice one there for the Fins. We got Jimmy Garoppolo and Baker Mayfield center stage. Again, quick recap. Tua, Richardson, Hall, Freeman to 25, Turner, Bigsby, Hutch to 49, a couple Mahomes, Clifford, Silver, Aaron Rodgers, Dermontti Dawson, and Ozzie Newsome. That's the break, gentlemen. Thanks for the fill.